Hello everyone. So after yesterday we hit SL and today we recover back very easily and with more profits. So guys, don't be worried when we hit SL. It's a part of trading. So if we keep using the correct way, even though we hit SL, we're able to recover and take some profit from the market. So today, how do I give the signal for today? So first of all, change to lower time frame. We can see that here we have bearish engulfing of H1. And then when the price come to the top, if you remember the previous video, I talked about shadow entry, and then this is the way I do when I give the scalping signal. So the signal should be from this shadow entry of H1 and then we check to M30, we can see a same shadow here. Okay, then this will be our shadow entry to entry sell. So how to entry? Okay, when the price come to the middle of the shadow, we're able to entry here and then pound, drop directly 50 pips. Okay, and then the price come to the top of the shadow again, we able to entry again 1792 something, and then the price pound drop down. It's about 20 pips. So 50 pips, 20 pips, we got 2 rounds. And the second setup, how do I find a second setup? Okay, will be the Tiffany blue zone here. Okay guys, so how to find this setup? How to find this zone? First of all, you need to understand about engulfing theory. This is a yellow candle. Okay, I make it bigger. This is a yellow candle. Where white candle able to eat this yellow candle. No matter how many candles, this is 3 candle, eat this yellow candle. Actually, this is a dominant break zone, but doesn't matter. We just count it as engulfing because white candle able to eat the yellow candle. So this is gonna be a big zone from the bottom here all the way top to the top of here. So this is gonna be a big zone of H4 for we to sell. So first of all, when the price first touch to the fresh zone, they will have some effect to it. This is the first thing. The second thing, we want to find supporting zone in lower time frame to support the H4 so that we can entry directly. So we need to find confirmation zone in lower time frame. So how to find it? We need to find the support zone. So we change to lower time frame, let's say H1. And then we can see a bearish engulfing zone here. First thing, this is a bearish engulfing. Second thing, this is a supply sell zone where this is a white, yellow, and then white again. So this is going to be a supply sell zone. So for we to sell, second thing. So the third thing is, when we look at the history, we can see this is a support, and support. Meaning this all support gonna turns into resistance. So when the price first come to the zone, we can sell. Okay, and the fourth thing, if you look at H1 time frame, you can see this is a left hand. This is a head and this is a right hand. So this is a head and shoulder pattern. So when the price drop, come to the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, we can sell directly. So when the price touch the zone, we can sell. Okay, this is gonna be the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern that we are waiting for to counter the market. Okay, so this zone I already sent to the group yesterday. So today, if you focus on the data that I give, you able to counter it. Okay, you can take back the money. So how many pips you can take? If you enter at the first layer 179 3.5, we're able to take about 65 pips. If you entry at 179 4.5, meaning you can take 70 to 75 pips. Okay, so minimum is 50 pips. I already write in the Telegram group. So you're able to recover back from the 50 pip losses, and including, if you include the scalping signal, we already take about 50 pips, and the second round we take about 20 pips. So it's more than enough for you to recover. Okay guys, so this is how we find the zone, okay, and how we use the signal. Okay, so Right now, I'm gonna do a mapping where the price will go to where, and then what should we do? Okay, now the current price is up to here. So this is gonna be the first touch, meaning this touch and drop gonna be a possible continuation for the big drop here. This is a significant drop, meaning the seller power is super strong from here to here. Okay, from the top to the bottom. This is a significant drop, able to break down so many support in the same time frame. So this is a super strong seller power. So meaning after a strong drop, there will be one more continuation drop, either from here directly to the bottom here, or maybe from here directly to the bottom, breakdown, lower low. We don't know where is the power. Maybe the power start from here, maybe the power start from here, maybe the power start from here. We don't know. But one thing that we can confirm, the seller power will come in the future, but we don't know where it is. That's why we need to mark the zone. So this is going to be our first zone, but the price failed to break the lower low. And the second thing will be here. This is our second zone. So the bear zone going to be here. This is our second zone. If the price able to come to here, touch, and then drop, maybe the price will come to here. Okay, first rejection going to be here, but this is the nearest demand buy zone. So I think the price won't respect to the zone here. Maybe a bounce and then gonna be a drop to here, the zone about here. And then if the price do not respect the zone here, then the price gonna drop to break down to form a low low. So if the price want to go up, they will touch the nearest demand buy zone, nearest bullish engulfing zone, and then go up to the zone here. And this gonna be a critical zone where the price gonna have 100 to 200 pips. No, it's 100 to 300 pips from the zone here. But we don't know the price is downward or upward. Okay, this thing I cannot confirm. I know this is a critical zone. This is gonna be a critical zone where in lower time frame we can see a clear QM pattern. So when the price come to the zone here, we're able to sell. But if this zone fail, maybe the price will go up 100 to 300 pips. We don't know. Okay, so that we must have our SL on, guys. We must have our SL on. So the zone should look like this. Okay, so this actually is a QM of H4. Drop, come back to the top here. So this is gonna be the left hand, right hand, and then this is gonna be the head. So head and shoulder. QM pattern, Quasimodo pattern, meaning the pre-head and shoulder, okay, situation. So the price maybe come to here, touch and then drop, or maybe come to the middle of the zone here. So what our SL should be 30 pips to 40 pips, I think maximum. But if you're using H4, I think better go for 40 pips to 50 pips. SL away from the zone, meaning from the highest of the shadow here, and we count 50 pips. So 1815 should be our SL. Okay, so our entry should be 20 pips below the highest of the shadow. So gonna be 1808 will be our entry for our big lot. So that we can entry, and then the price gonna pound, drop down and break down over low. 100 to 300 pips minimum, guys, minimum. So there are some possibility for the price to touch the zone here and then have a direct drop. So at zone here, you don't entry too much. Don't put all your lot sizes here. It's very risky. If you entry here, and then according to H4, we have to set our SL in 1815. If you entry at, okay, 1803, okay, 1803, meaning SL is 120 pips. Your SL is 120 pips. If you go for 0.01 lot, you're gonna lose. If you hit SL, you're gonna lose $12. But if you win, you can take also 100 minimum to 300 pips. Okay, so actually the risk reward ratio is so good, but because of the big SL, I don't recommend you to entry so many lot here. If you want to enter, you go for maybe one small lot or maybe two small lot with a good risk ratio. If you know your SL is 120 pips, meaning your TP should take minimum of 100 pips or 90 pips, something like that. Okay, so that's it for today. Today mapping and the review of how I find the signal. Okay guys,